This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Power the tester and insert batteries if needed, because an underpowered device gives false negatives. Once done, visually inspect both connectors and cable jacket to eliminate obvious faults before testing. This saves time. Next, plug the main tester into one end and the remote into the opposite end, making sure each plug clicks fully. This immediate start prevents wasted troubleshooting later and gets you measurable signals right away. Once connections are secure, choose the appropriate test mode on the unit: continuity for basic wiring, pairing for Ethernet, or shield for screened cables, because each mode reveals specific faults. You'll watch LEDs or a numeric readout cycle, interpret missing lights as open wires and swap sequences as miswires. If you're in a dense cable bundle, switch to tone or tracer mode to audibly locate the correct run. Make sure to document any failed pins so you can isolate the fault quickly. After identifying faults, repair or re-terminate the problematic end. You must cut back to good cable and install a new connector to restore proper contact. Once repaired, retest the run to verify correct pin mapping and continuity, because one successful pass proves the issue is resolved. If you still see intermittent failures, perform a wiggle test while monitoring the display end. Make sure to swap testers or try a known good cable to rule out tester faults. This isolates whether the cable or the tool is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.